Amazing 280 acres riverfront farm for sale in Costa Rica. Great investment opportunity of a sustainable 280 acres farm, with a topography of rolling hills and 50% flat terrain, with lots of pasture, located in Bagaces in between the town of Canas and Liberia, and just 25 minutes Liberia International Airport, as well many beautiful beaches within minutes from the farm. At only 1 hour from the four-season international resort at Papagayo, very well known for its famous breathtaking beaches. With public utilities, such as electricity at only 300 meters away, public road, with cell telephone reception available, public drinking water, and public road frontage, of more than 2 kilometers. The farm has internal gravel roads. The property holds a protected secondary forest, this in order to protect the natural water sources, with excellent water volume. All the working pastures are perfectly fenced and segregated, with a small mango plantation. No need to move livestock because of the lack of water on this property. With a beautiful crystal river frontage of more than 2 kilometers. A small rural village is at only 1 kilometer away from the property. And Canas City is only 15 minutes away, where you can find banks, mail office, supermarkets, and health clinics. The property holds a clear title, and it is totally surveyed. Priced at $600,000.